Hello everyone. Welcome to this next topic of Oracle database login troubleshooting. I hope that you people have created the user and you have logged in with system user. Still, if you are facing any kind of problem, I will explain in this video that how you can troubleshoot with all these problems. Okay. So as we have discussed earlier that you can log in Oracle using different methods. So first of all, very easy. I will start with SQL Plus through command prompt. So what we'll do, we'll click on here start, then we will type here CMD. Okay. Now, as you can see, my command prompt has come. What you can do, either you can type the command here also, or you can go back at the root. There is no issues. To go to the root, I will type CD plus. It is not at all compulsory. I'm just doing it only for the sake of making the prompt simple. Okay. So you don't take it as a part of process. Okay, now we will type CLS, so the screen is clear. Okay, so now here what we have to do SQL plus. Okay, on DOS prompt we have typed SQL plus. Now it is asking for username. Now suppose any of you might be having problem in login, or some of you can say that you have lost or forgotten your password. So there is a trick in Oracle, let me show you. So there is a trick in Oracle where you can log in even without knowing. Suppose you have uh, forgotten your system or HR password, any. Okay, so what you will do, so you can always log in with sys. Okay, let me show you how. So how you can log in with sys, you have to type in username this thing sys as sysdba. Capital and small has no effect here, so don't worry about it. So you have to type something like this, sys as sysdba. Let me show you with example. So here it is giving as enter username. I will type sys as sysdba. You can see it has taken. Now what is the password? See, it is a trick where you can type any password. For example, I am typing ABCD. It is not visible, but and what you can see, connected. Okay, so password is anything. Here you can give anything. Okay, so it will show you connected. Now first of all, the very first thing you need to check is show user. You show user, the user is sys. So this is very important. So what you need to do again next is you have to type show user. The user should be displayed as sys. Okay, now from here you can change any of the password. Now suppose you have forgotten the password of system. What you can do, alter user system identified by. You can give any password. Suppose I have given ORCL. So what you can see, user altered. Now you can log in with system and you can work out. How? Again, let me show you again what you have to do. First of all, let me copy this query and type here so that it is easy for you to make notes. So what we have written? We have written alter user system identified by ORCL. Now what do you have to do next? Let me save it as another name. Let me save it as DBMS in Oracle troubleshooting. Okay. So now what you need to do? You need to type again show user. So okay. So again, why we are doing it again? Because it is just the beginning of practical. Later on, you need not to do it again. So again, what you will do? User altered. Now I will type. You need to connect with your new user, the password of which you have changed just now. Okay, so what you will type? You will type connect. Okay, you just type connect. What it will show? Username, type system, password is ORCL. Now what you can see, it is connected. Okay, let me clear the screen, clear screen. Okay, then now again show user, user is system. So this is how you can connect with your user even if you have forgotten your password. Now let us come back to another thing. Some of the students have asked that sir, there is one more user called HR and we are not able to log in it, and it is written the account is locked. So how you can unlock an account? So how to unlock an account? So again you have to log in with sys. Although this can be done with system also, let us see what you can type. Alter user sys, sorry, alter user HR account unlock semicolon enter. What you can see? Account unlock. And also you can change the password even if you don't remember it. Alter user HR identified by HR. I have given the password of HR as HR. What you can see? User altered. Now you can ask, sir, why I have given this here capital and small. See, in case of username, the capital and small does not matter, but in case of password, it matters. Okay, so don't worry about it. Have a practice of using a small letter only. Now you can log in with HR. Let us see how. Again, I will type connect HR. You can write here also, or you can just type enter. Then it will ask the username, connect HR. Password is HR. Connected. Check. Show user. User is HR. And what are the tables? Select star from tab. You can see the list of some tables. This. Okay. So how we have done this? I am copying this again here. So login with sys or system. Okay. And type these two commands. Alter user this and this. This is how you can unlock an account and also change the password. Okay, so now there are two things. First, if you have forgotten the password of system, you log in with sys. Okay, how you log in with sys? Login with sys is always done through this sys as sysdba and password is anything, and then you can change the password of system by this alter user system identified by ORCL. And if you want to unlock or change the password of any other user, you can log in with either sys or system both. Okay, so don't be confused with these two things. The first example that I have shown you was how to change the password of system. So we have to log in with sys. The second example was if you have forgotten the password of HR or the account is coming as account logged, then you can log in with either system or sys, both. Okay, because both of them are DBA grade users. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, and again, let us type clear screen. Now, some of the students have asked another question that in case of show user, double quotes are coming. Let me show you. First of all, let us see what is happening here. Show user. You can see user is HR coming. Suppose by mistake something wrong has happened and I have given disconnected. Okay. So and you have not noticed this thing. Still SQL prompt is coming. Okay. So let me type clear screen. Okay. And now this is a very important step. See, still SQL is coming and you try to type something. Select star from tab. What it will show? Not connected. Now, not connected means you are not connected with any user, but you are still connected with server. Now here, you don't have to do the mistake of typing again SQL plus. You can see SQL plus is not written here. SQL plus is written at command prompt. So here you have to type. Now what you need to do again, and see now what you will do if you type what will be displayed if you type show user. It will show you user is double quotes. So when user is double quote, it means no user is connected. Okay, so this is important. Don't be confused with any other option here. So in any case, if your show user is showing user is double quotes, you cannot perform any other operation because it is not connected. What you can do, either you can exit or you just log in again. So how will log in again? Again, I have to type connect. So now you can type the username. Username is system, password is whatever we have given. Connect. Now check show user. User is system. You can type select star from tab. Okay. So this is how it happens. Now some of the students have asked sir how we can create another user or how we need to work in our how we will work in our own user. So this I will be showing up in our subsequent next videos. So I hope now the task is please log in with system, please log in with HR, and please log in with sys and see the list of all different tables. And then we will move ahead to next videos. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope this is clear. If any case there is any other doubt, you can ask in the comment or you can message. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in next video.